Thank you for taking a minute out of your crazy day in order to watch this video. But let's face it, we're in the middle of some demanding times, and we all have businesses to run, and car count is important. Now, I've said this several times. It's a quote from one of my previous mentors, Mr. Jim Rohn, when he said, "You cannot change the direction of the winds, but you can change the settings of your sales." So on this video, I want to show you how one car count hacker has taken this changing times and made one slight change to the way he's operating business in order to get car count. All you have to do is follow along in this video. You'll see how you can do this too, and then just buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, it's Matthew here, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. And if you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So, of course, we're in some unprecedented times and things are changing. There's a lot of panic out there, and there's a lot of people that are afraid of doing things. And then, of course, there's us who have to run repair shops because we employ people and we need to keep everything going. So I want to share with you something that George at Extra Mile Auto has been just started to do, and then show you exactly how you can do that too. So, of course, being the fact that the winds have changed, George stepped up and said, well, it's time to change the settings on my sales. And he's done just that. And he used the GoMo text messaging system to do that. Hey, before we jump into the rest of this video, I don't think you know, I just updated the Auto Shop Marketing's most popular download on how to create your own Kickbutt offers, and I've now exposed the complete blueprint on how you can create and market your own Kickbutt offers. I show you 3 simple changes that you can make to your very first offer so that you can use it any time of year, all year long. And if that's not enough, I've even included actual samples of Kickbutt offers. Go ahead in the links below. Now let's get back to the video. So right now I'm going to share my phone with you and show you exactly what George is doing in order to keep car count going. Right here, George broadcast a text message and he said simply, "Matthew, it's demanding times, but we've come to the rescue. Check this and let me know ASAP." And you'll notice there's a link here that automatically takes your visitor, your customer, to a simple, I call it a coupon, but of course it's not a coupon. It's a full digital ad that says, for your auto service needs, free pickup and return of your vehicle. Use the form below or call or text us. Now, it's important to note here that George put some limitations on this. He's gone ahead and told us to add specific counties or townships that this applies to, and that it's going to continue throughout the month of April. And, of course, it doesn't apply to oil change only services, but all other services and repairs, they'd be more than happy to come pick up your vehicle and return it to you when it's done. Now, your visitor can go ahead and just complete a quick form, and when it comes to selections here, all they have to do is say they want the free pickup and delivery, and just tell George whether you would like to confirm it by phone, text, or email. Now, of course, the coupon portion here said that you could call or text. In order to make this so simple for your customer, all they would have to do is scroll down here and tap that text button. It automatically takes them to their text messaging app, or alternatively, they can pick up the phone and call George. Their phone app is displayed right there. The number's already in. All they have to do is hit the call button, and that's it. Now, wasn't that cool? Doesn't that resolve an issue that's obviously widespread throughout the nation? And doesn't that put some satisfaction in your customer's mind that you're looking after them and looking after their vehicle when the times are a little bit difficult and there's some struggle going on? So let me ask you a question. Look, I talk to shop owners virtually every day. I know you've got some text messaging program. I hear it all the time. Oh yeah, we got some text messaging app that's sort of like bolted on to your business management software, like a cheap set of mud flaps or a fancy rear spoiler. But can you deliver that? Can you put coupons and messages out to your customers that fast? This was initiated earlier today, which is Monday, and it's already out to George's customers. So go ahead, I'll wait, and why don't you call me or text me and let me know when you can get that message out. So I'm being a little smart there. So if you're a repair shop owner and you want to resolve issues like this quickly and keep your car count, income, and profits going, go in the links below and click the link about getting more car count right now. We'll connect and I'll show you everything and how it can work in your repair shop. And if you're still hanging around at the end of this video, go ahead and watch this video here about everything you need to understand about marketing your repair shop in 2020 and beyond. And then there's this other video down here about the simple strategies that you can use to put car count in your shop. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care and talk soon.